As a founder, you are probably laser focused on product, team, funding, but branding, that's where most first time entrepreneurs slip. And the worst part, these mistakes don't scream. They quietly sabotage your growth when you are not looking. Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix Space. In the last decade, I have watched first time founders pour everything into their product but get completely blindsided by branding missteps that silently erode trust, clarity, and customer connection. I have seen what works and what quietly kills a brand before it even starts. If you are building your from scratch, avoid these 7 mistakes. Mistake 1. Treating branding like a logo project. This is hands down the most common one. You get a logo, pick some fonts, maybe a tagline, and you think the brand is done. But branding is not decoration. It's how people feel when they hear your name. It's the story they tell about you when you are not in the room. I always say, if you take away the logo and people still know it's you, you have got a brand. If not, you have got design. Mistake 2. Building for investors instead of customers. Founders often try to look impressive instead of being relatable. You end up with messaging that's full of buzzwords like AI-driven platform for decentralized workflows, but no one knows what you actually do. Here is the thing. Your customer doesn't care how sophisticated it sounds. They care how fast it solves their problem. If your pitch makes your customer say, "Wait, what?" you have lost them. Mistake 3. Copying competitors to look legit. It's tempting to think, let's just look like brand X. They seem to be crushing it, but the second you try to blend in, you become forgettable. Instead of asking what's working for them, start asking what feels true for us. Honestly, one thing I tell new founder is look at 5 brands in your space, then ask what's the opposite of what they are doing and can that be our edge? Mistake 4. Not anchoring your brand emotionally. Here is a truth most people overlook. Logic doesn't always drive buying decisions, emotion does. Whether it's confidence, relief, excitement, or belonging, strong brands trigger a feeling. Let's say you are building a fintech app that helps people budget better. Your original CTA might say something like, manage your finances smarter. Sounds logical, but kind of bland, right? Now imagine reframing that to finally feel in control of your money. It taps into emotion, relief, confidence, peace of mind. That shift alone could be the difference between someone scrolling past and someone signing up. Because at the end of the day, people don't just want to be smart. They want to feel secure, empowered, and free from stress. Mistake 5. Inconsistency across platforms. Ever seen a startup with a slick website but their Instagram looks like a run by a college intern? Or their LinkedIn sounds corporate while their emails are super casual? That kind of inconsistency quietly kills trust. Your brand should feel like the same person whether I am reading your DM or watching your keynote. I usually tell my team to create a living tone of voice guide, not just formal vs casual, but how your brand jokes, empathize, and even apologize. Mistake 6. Skipping team alignment. One of the most overlooked things, your team needs to understand your brand just as much as your audience does. If I ask 3 of your team members what your brand stands for, would I get the same answer? Because if they are unclear, your customer definitely is. Your first audience is internal. Get them aligned before you go big outside. Your sales, support, and content team should all speak the same language. That kind of alignment shows up in customer experience and in revenue. Mistake 7. Thinking short term instead of long term. A lot of founders design for today. What's trendy? What looks cool? But branding isn't just about what's working now. It's about building recognition and meaning over time. Trends come and go. Your brand should stand for something clear and timeless. The real test: if your logo disappears, would people still know it's you? If not, you have got work to do. Here is the truth: branding is never done, it evolves with you, your market, and your mission. But the earlier you get it right, the less time and money you will waste fixing it later. So, here is what I want you to do. Think about your current brand. Is it truly saying what you want it to say? Or what do you think you should say? Drop a comment with one part of your brand you are unsure about: your tone, your logo, your positioning, whatever it is. Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, consider giving it a like and subscribing for more practical insights tailored for first-time founders and growing businesses. See you in my next video.